Y'all, today we have chicken noodles. You know what I'm saying? Is it weird to pick like brown gravy in your noodles, y'all? Is it weird? You never know, it might taste actually good. I like weird food combinations. Look at that. It's hot, real hot. I like to keep water in my noodles too. Because sometimes game and keep it like more wet and moisturized. I would have had my microphone on, but I do not know what I clearly did with it, so I don't know. I gotta find it. These noodles are dope. They're epic. I had to get a damn towel because this bowl literally hot. It's hot. And yes, this is not hot noodles. This is regular chicken noodles. I don't like spicy shit a lot. Sorry guys, I got a cramp. Oh my god. Bro, I got a fucking cramp in the middle of the freaking video. And my foot, it hurts so bad. Like, oh my god. Sorry, y'all. Maybe I'm just low on calcium. I might get to eat more bananas. I just got a cramp on video. That's insane, bro. But yeah, man. This is insane, bro. I literally gotta to get the cramp out, bro. It's crazy. Maybe because the way how, you know, you can relax your muscles, you can get a goddamn cramp in your leg. Well, not leg, it's my foot actually. I was like, should I do 2 packs of noodles? I just did 1 pack. Y'all, you know noodles will literally get you through the night. It would get you to the next day, literally. I'm almost done. That was so good. Yes, sir.